She left you on read, ghosted you out of nowhere, maybe even laughed at you with her friends. And now, your stomach's in knots, your pride's crushed, and you're replaying every text, every look, wondering where you messed up. But here's the brutal truth. The second you chase her, you've already lost. So let's talk about the one move that flips the script. Not just to get her attention, but to make her regret ignoring you in the first place. Most guys panic when a woman ignores them. They double text, they beg, they post sad songs on their Instagram story like a secret SOS. And guess what? It never works, because desperation is the fastest way to kill attraction. But 2,000 years ago, the Stoics had a better answer. Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus. They faced betrayals, insults, even exile, and their strategy, cold, calm indifference. Not as a game, not as manipulation, but as power. Today, we're diving into how you use that same mindset to turn the tables without saying a word. Here's why being ignored hurts. Your brain treats it like physical pain. Studies show rejection lights up the same neural pathways as getting punched. And when it's someone you care about, that pain doubles. So your instincts scream, fix it, apologize, prove your worth. But that's the trap. Women don't ignore you because they're busy. They do it because they can. Maybe she's testing you. Maybe she's bored. Maybe she just likes the ego boost of watching you squirm. But the moment you react, you hand her all the power. You confirm she's got you hooked. And nothing kills attraction faster than neediness. Step 1. The Stoic pause. When she ignores you, your first instinct is to fix it. Text her. Ask why. Demand closure. But here's what the Stoics knew. Action from emotion is weakness. Epictetus said, if you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. That means embracing the silence. No texts. No accidental likes on her pics. No asking mutual friends about her. Why? Because every move you make after being ignored reveals your hand. And right now, she thinks she holds all the cards. Your silence? It's a power move. It forces her brain to fill the gap. Is he talking to someone else? Did I misjudge him? Humans crave predictability. When you disappear, you disrupt her narrative. And suddenly, she's the one wondering. But here's the key. This isn't a game. It's training. You're proving to yourself that you don't need her validation to function. The Stoics called this apatheia, freedom from emotional slavery. So when the anxiety hits, and it will, ask, what would Marcus Aurelius do? He'd write in his journal, train his body, and focus on what he controls, not a woman's whims. Step 2. Reclaim your value. Right now, you're addicted to her attention. That's why the silence feels like withdrawal. But Marcus Aurelius warned, you're bothered by external things? It's not them. It's your judgment of them. So let's detox. First, physical reset. Hit the gym. Not to impress her, but to remind yourself you're capable of discipline. The Stoics believed in mens sana in corpore sano, a healthy mind in a healthy body. When you lift, run, or spar, you're not just burning frustration, you're rebuilding pride. Next, mental reset. Write down every toxic thought. I need her. I'm worthless without her. Then burn it, literally. The Stoics practiced premeditatio malorum, imagining worst-case scenarios to strip fear away. What if she never replies? You'd survive, thrive even. Finally, social reset. Surround yourself with people who celebrate you, not fair-weather friends who pity your heartbreak. The ancient Stoics built communities of like-minded men. You need that energy, because validation from many beats obsession with one. Step 3. The ego kill. Women who ignore men expect desperation. It's a test, not of her interest, but of your strength. So here's the twist. Give her nothing. Not anger, not sadness, just indifference. The Stoics called this ataraxia, a state of unshakable calm. When you achieve it, something wild happens. She starts questioning her value. Why isn't he bothered? Did I overestimate my power over him? Remember, people hate being ignored more than they hate ignoring. But warning, this only works if it's genuine. If you're faking indifference while stalking her Instagram at 3 a.m., you've already lost. Real power comes from acceptance. As Seneca said, sometimes even to live is an act of courage. So live well without her. That's the ultimate ego kill. Step 4, the frame flip. Right now, she controls the story. He's chasing, I'm the prize. Your job? Flip it. How? Become the prize. Post your life, not for her, but for you. Travel, learn a skill, throw parties. When she sees you're unaffected, her brain short-circuits. Wait, was I the backup plan? The Stoics mastered this. When exiled, Musonius Rufus didn't beg. He turned a barren island into a school. That's frame control. So ask, if I were the hero in a Stoic parable, what would I do next? Then do it. Step 5, the ultimate test. Here's the truth. If she ignores you, she's not your future. The Stoics practiced memento mori, remembering death to prioritize what truly matters. So ask, on my deathbed, will I regret not begging her? Letting go isn't defeat, it's freedom. As Epictetus said, no man is free who is not master of himself. So master your emotions. Either she returns, or you've already won by outgrowing her. The ultimate power move? Let her go. Not as a tactic, but as genuine acceptance. The Stoics called this amor fati, loving your fate. If she ignores you, she's not your person, period. And when you truly internalize that, one of two things happens. 1, she feels the shift and comes back, because people always notice when you stop caring. 2, you free yourself for someone who actually values you. 1, silence is strength. No reactions, no explanations. 2, focus inward. Build a life so full, her absence doesn't derail you. 3, walk away first. The person who cares least controls the dynamic. Hit subscribe. One video won't change your life, but 100 might.